In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your photo to home screen on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, head over to settings. Then scroll down a bit until you find wallpaper. And then top right here at that button. Select photos. That will move you to your camera roll photos. And from here, if you scroll down, we'll be able to select any picture. I like that one. After that, we are able to apply some filter to that photo. Also, we can crop that image in that way. After that, if you would like to turn on or off that depth effect, that allows some objects to overlay the widgets. Stop right here and then turn it off or turn it on. I like that effect turned on. And once you are happy with the result, top right here at Add. And then, if you don't want to, have your main home screen blurred. Top Add Customize Home Screen. After that, to turn off blur effect, top right here. That's how we can easily turn it on or off. And also in here, we can change photo for our home screen. We can set another one by hitting at photo. Then let me pick another one. It'll be that one. Then, to save it, top add down. After that, we can blur it or keep it in original quality. And then top add down to save the changes. It says current, which means that now that wallpaper set as a current wallpaper on our device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.